What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're gonna go over Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu today. But before we go over that, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. And also check out the links in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Remember, Shiba Inu is now on Webull, so take those free stocks and put them straight into Shiba Inu. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. So as you can see right here, we broke out of our resistance with Shiba Inu. We're doing some crazy numbers here right now. And right now we're having some resistance. We're trying to knock off one of these zeros, and we're literally we're literally right at the bridge knocking off one of these zeros. But as you can see, we're having some resistance right here. And anyways, this is this is all I really got right now for Shiba Inu's technical analysis. I'm going to go over another technical analysis though, so we can see what the pros think, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm pretty sure they're not financial advisors either, but they're pros with the technical analysis. So I really love FX Street. So yeah, definitely check them out. You can see their technical analysis every day. So anyway, Shiba Inu price takes another jab at the 0.0000112 area as Shiba Swap rewards program and delays. So Shiba Inu price shows a resurgence in buying pressure, indicating a 28% upswing potential. So the developers of the Shiba Swap DEX have announced a delay in handing out weekend rewards. And if you don't know what the DEX is, that is a decentralized exchange, and Shiba Swap is exactly that. So if Shiba slices through the high probability reversal zone's upper limit at 0.0001070, a lot of zeros, right? It will confirm a bull rally. So now all we got to do is pass that area. Look, we're getting stopped here and rejected at the 939 area. So we're trying to pass that right now, and we're definitely going to pass it, but it looks like we're having a little bit of a delay. But anyways, over here, I really do believe Shiba Inu is about to break out right now. It's about to knock one of these zeros right out the park right now, just like how Dogecoin is all the way at 33, probably 34 cents by now. And as you can see right here, rank 38 with Shiba Inu, 15.79% inside the last 24 hours for Shiba Inu, and 20% inside the last 7 days. So Shiba Inu was ranked 41, now 38. We're trying to take back our spot as ranked 27 and knock Aave out, or Ave, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we got to knock them out of there, because we used to be ranked 27, and we need a lot of that market cap back. So we're at 3 billion right now in market cap, give or take 3.7 billion right now. So we're doing all right with the market cap. Now, manual process delay rewards for Shiba Swap DEX users. So Shiba Inu price is making a comeback as Shiba Swap decentralized exchange weekend rewards are nowhere to be seen. So the rewards are obtained by a part of the transaction fees being converted and sent to Treasure Finder. A lot of people aren't seeing this. So this conversion method applies to any swap on the DEX, and the rewards are distributed at the end of the week. Last week's reward, however, were delayed as the developers announced the reason for this delay in the official Discord server for Shiba Inu. So they already announced it. The developer mentioned that a lot of DEXs in the cryptocurrency community get hacked. So to ensure this does not happen to Shiba Swap users, the reward distribution process for the bury section is a multi-step process that runs manually and lasts roughly 16 to 14 hours, or 14 to 16 hours. So interestingly, the announcement also mentions this process has some pros and cons. So the pros are that it's 100% safe and it ensures no hacks or drains can happen. The cons, it requires time and a manual process run by actually one person. So one person is going through and they're making sure everything's going through and getting sent to everybody. But they can't just have it as an automated process, because then it is going to be able to fall victim to these hacks. So anyways, since this person is dealing with an unforeseen family emergency, last weekend's rewards distribution has been delayed. The announcement also added that the developers are working toward automating the process to avoid similar delays. So yes, they have some kind of family emergency, so they can't really do it, and there's only one person doing all this, which I really do believe they need to hire a lot of people if they're going to run a DeFi exchange. If they're going to run a decentralized exchange like this, they need at least 10 people working on that. So anyways, they definitely need to step it up there, but they're working to make it automated. But remember, when things are automated like that, it's easier for it to get hacked, because there's code in line that's automating it. Anyone can hack it and then interfere with that code. Anything can happen. So hopefully the code that they do is 100% good and audited by like Certic, like how they did before. So hopefully they do all the auditing. But anyways, while some users are okay with this delay, others are not. Regardless of the mishap, technicals indicate that the Shiba Inu price is bullish as it looks to breach a crucial overhead barrier. That's what we're about to go over now. So look at this again. This crucial overhead barrier that we're trying to pass is right up here. So let's go over what they got to say about it. Shiba Inu price rose roughly 43% between August 6th and August 8th, but retraced almost 23% in the next 24 hours. While this run up was imperial, Sheep gathered steam as the bulls pushed its market value higher. So despite the momentum reversal indicator MRI flashing a sell sign in the form of a red 1 candlestick on the 12-hour chart, Shiba Inu price rose past and is currently grappling the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 0.00000871. And right after that, we just went parabolic. So this is where they were talking about right there. And as soon as it got there, we just went parabolic straight up to the moon right there. So anyways, Shiba Inu has so much potential over here. It says if the meme coin produces a decisive 12-hour candlestick close above the said barrier, it will confirm a resurgence of buyers and an ability to move higher. In such a case, Sheep will target the high probability reversal zone ranging from the 955 area to the 1070 area. So that is knocking off one of these zeros, and we really have the potential to do this. And this is really going to send us all the way up here to the 1120 area. I'm gonna stop saying all the zeros. I'm not gonna keep saying 000001120. I'm just gonna say 1120 because it's way easier. But anyways, over here on the other hand, they always got to do this. We always got to talk about the good and the bad. That's what was good that could possibly happen. We could possibly just surge straight past our resistance, but also the other possible situation is this. On the other hand, a breakdown of the point, I'm not even going to say that, the 811 area support barrier will indicate an inability of the buyers to prolong this upswing. If the resulting selling pressure pushes SHIB to shatter the 727 area, it will invalidate the bullish thesis and potentially trigger a 10% crash to the 654 area. The reason why I don't believe this will happen is because everything else inside the crypto market is going crazy. And usually when everything's going crazy, everything else is going crazy. Like Bitcoin's going crazy, all the other altcoins are going crazy. Look at all these charts. Look at all of that. It all looks very similar. All of it, Anyways, everything's going to follow each other. I always say this every single time. I really feel like everything's going to continue to follow Bitcoin until end all be all. But anyways, we have a lot of potential here with SHIB, so I'm not going to doubt SHIB. I don't think SHIB will go all the way down to 0.000000727. But anyways, it can only do that if, everything else starts to drop as well. So everything else is going up, so we're in the good for that. We're in the green. But anyways, 632,000 people are now holding Shiba Inu. So 632,407. I love to hit that refresh button so we can see 632,453. So you see people are investing in Shiba Inu left and right, left and right. As we know, Shiba Inu right now is on. Shiba Inu is now on Webull, so we know that is true. So one thing about Shiba Inu being on Webull, Robinhood is like the competitor to Webull, and I compared it to McDonald's and Burger King because it's kind of true. They're both competitors. So Robinhood is competing with Webull, McDonald's with Burger King. So I think Robinhood is about to do this next. This is a little thing that they sent to one of the people that asked if Shiba Inu can get put on to Robinhood. And as you can see, they responded like this: "Hey, thanks for reaching out to us. I'd be happy to clarify your concern about Shiba Inu coin, blah, 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 blah." They're talking about everything they're holding here. And then moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies. And we'll be sure to let you know as more become available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrencies doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add and buying and selling these cryptos. So even though they're saying like, look, we like Shiba Inu, we like all this stuff, doesn't mean we're going to add it. So they got to say that, to cover themselves. They can't say they're going to do something and then 3 months later, nothing happens. Maybe someone tries to sue them or whatnot. But anyways, they don't show their hands, they don't show their hands for these cards. They just go ahead and drop whenever, this happens with a lot of these other things. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing right here, FEG token, the whole FEG community. FEG token and the entire FEG army invites Shiba Inu token and Baby Dogecoin to join the FEG X. So anyways, developers DM us as ambassadors can provide you with more information. They're really trying to get Shiba Inu to get listed on their exchange and Baby Doge. So that's really good news right there that they're doing that. So shout out to them. So the next thing we got to talk about here with Shiba Inu is this, and this is called the SHIB Army Pledge that they're putting out there. So on August 19th, they're trying to get everybody on Shiba Inu to hold Shiba Inu, and they say until it reaches $1. Let's be completely honest, for Shiba Inu to reach $1, it would have to be at $397 trillion market cap, and there's not $397 trillion in the whole global economy. So that won't happen. But anyways, we could actually make a huge difference in Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu could rise. So each of us will buy $50 and more. Shiba Inu exactly at the same time. Let's just say $50 times however much the whole Shiba army is, which is like 537,000 people, give or take, somewhere around there. A lot of people are holding sheep, or 600,000, somewhere around there. But yeah, a lot of money would flow through if everyone put $50 into sheep. So this could actually make a huge difference with sheep on the 19th. So let's wait and see what happens here. I definitely hope something big happens here with Shiba Inu. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is Walmart. Walmart is doing something big right now in crypto. So right now it says Walmart is entering the cryptocurrency market. The retail giant is seeking to hire an individual to implement a digital currency roadmap with the inevitable end goal of allowing customers to pay using crypto. I'll talk about this more in another video. I don't want to go over it too much, but this could be very big for crypto and also Shiba Inu. So I'll talk about this in another video. Now, let's talk about baby Shiba Inu, because baby Shiba Inu is up 6.3% in the last 24 hours. But something that's going on baby Shiba Inu could actually help it rise even further past that. So first things first, $1.7 million in market cap here with baby Shiba Inu. And as you can see here, 38,829 people are holding baby Shiba Inu. Now 38,833. But anyways, a lot of people are holding it. But what I really want to talk about is this Moonshots app that they're having. So introducing Moonshots, the long-awaited app. I talked about this in a previous video, but we're going to really talk about everything that's going to be happening with it. So right now you can register for it, but not everyone can get it right now. Only the certain holders can get it right now. You can register to get it right here. But the main thing that I want to speak about is what you can do with the Moonshot app. So Moonshots, this is the primary feature of the app. Users will have the ability to browse through a list of coins and find the top picks. The more votes a coin has, the higher it appears in the top picks. So, it's kind of like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, but it has a little different twist and spin on it. So anyways, you can add coins and you can promote coins. Everyone has the ability to submit a coin onto the platform. A verification process will take place for your submission to avoid fake contracts and bots. After a successful submission, you have the option to promote your coin. It will appear prominently on the Moonshot section of the app. So over here, you can view the info. Users will be able to view the information on the selected coin, blah, blah, blah. You'll be able to view all that. But the main thing I really want to talk about is the NFTs. So NFTs are going to be added on this. The app will feature a NFT marketplace and minting option. Users will have the option to sell, auction, or buy /bid NFTs. Each NFT will have a description page attached to it, allowing the user to view the NFT history, description, and artist. This is about to be huge just based off the NFTs, because NFTs are blowing up right now. Type in NFTs and everyone's talking about it, and NFTs are just going crazy right now. So they already got the baby Shiba Inu swap. They got NFTs that they're about to implement. They're about to have this whole Moonshots app that's going to be working similarly to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So baby Shiba Inu actually has a lot of promise inside the future. So I definitely would say check out baby Shiba Inu. Don't just go ahead and put all your life savings in baby Shiba Inu. That's not smart. If you have $1,000, maybe put 100 in it. If you have like $10,000, maybe put 500. Something small. You don't want to put your whole life savings inside of baby Shiba Inu. But anyways, it definitely has some potentially promising aspects to it, as anyone would see. But anyways, I do have some high conviction with it. I just think right now, baby Shiba Inu is just not something you want to put too much in. I gotta emphasize that, because I don't want everyone to put all their money in it and then watch it go down, because baby Shiba Inu is down a lot right now. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.